Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice and canned beans. First, let's get our rice ready. Start by rinsing 1 cup of rice under cold water until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch, ensuring fluffy grains. Then, combine the rinsed rice with 2 cups of water and a half teaspoon of salt in a medium saucepan. This ratio is key for perfect rice. Now, let's cook that rice to perfection. Bring the pot to a boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, immediately reduce the heat to low, cover the pot tightly, and let it simmer for exactly 18 minutes. Do not lift the lid. After 18 minutes, remove the pot from the heat and let it rest, still covered, for 10 minutes. This steam time is crucial. While the rice rests, let's prepare our canned beans. Start by draining and thoroughly rinsing 1 15-ounce can of your favorite beans. This removes excess sodium and improves flavor. In a separate pan, sauté about 1/4 cup of diced onion in 1 tablespoon of oil until softened. Then, add the rinsed beans, a half cup of water, and your chosen seasonings like cumin or chili powder. Finally, let's bring it all together. Simmer your bean mixture for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and the beans to heat through. Meanwhile, gently fluff your perfectly cooked rice with a fork. Serve the fluffy rice alongside or mixed with your flavorful beans. A sprinkle of fresh cilantro adds a wonderful touch. Enjoy your delicious, homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.